Sige.
Someone take the ban.
Counter-press. Yung mga keepers ko, maganda yung kayo para makafight.
Listen, pass it ito.
Hindi sila sumunod sila.
Yeah.
Is there an office?
Yeah, come on side. Come on. Yeah, okay, come on side. Help my bomb. Come east, come northwest. Listen, come northwest. You have to come first, okay? Come first. Come on side.
Papasok pila sa ano, ha?
Yeah, come south. Just keep rapping.
Tapi na, yung mga keepers ko, magpano makasunod.
Inside.
Nice.
Southeast shallow. I mean, 4, 3, 2, 1, southeast shallow. Seven come west. Be at the west side. Come west.
Ready. West side, ha?
Yeah.
Ay, inside.
Listen, come west side. Griffin Empire. Come west side. Listen, we go over
West side, ha? West side. Someone check my south.
Careful, help my bomb northeast side. Okay, come south.
Why they like?
I don't know, man. I don't know what they're doing. Come southwest.
They came so that they don't get the
Someone check my northeast, ha? Northeast, okay?
Sila tayo yun.
Yeah, just fight everyone, man. Just fight everyone. I don't know also what's happening. Just fight everyone.
Who are playing time for the player?
You left your bed, man.
Yeah, it's fine. It's fine. Somebody's holding my banner actually. Comes out. Get ready to look at east side, okay?
East side, ha?
Where's Spear Gold?
I'll be fronting.
Careful the area, they got done someone for
Where's Spear Gold?
Someone check my southeast.
Sige, wala.
Any info?
Check the east.
On me.
Oh, they're there? What the fuck? Why they're there?
Ghana is in area.
Hey, can somebody get my banner real quick? Fucking Joker. Bruh. Yo, come right. Where? Can you catch?
Mag-isa lang.
He's running. Is that the Joker, Chariot?
No, very good.
Yeah, this one.
Joker said they're here to help, so don't hit them. You hit them 5 times or something.
Okay, then, don't hit Joker.
They're not trying to beat us now.
Yeah, don't hit Joker then.
Somebody tries to hit up somebody did it.
Yeah. Southeast. Ay, southwest, ha? Get ready.
Yeah, smash this kid there.
Cartoon watch. Please, start
Careful.
rotating. Start rotating.
They are southeast.
Getting stopped.
The player gold dismounted gunner.
Gunners dismounted already, okay? Careful. Get ready to go back to the north choke where we came from, okay? Come north. They're walking towards me, eh? Come north. Ali?
Yeah.
Oi!
They're trying to catch us up.
One ulit.
Yeah, okay.
Alucard?
Well, they have done some bomb.
Tuna. Ay, sino na?
2.
Okay.
10-2.
Topic 3.
Careful. In this bomb looking. Too many in the wall. I think 5, southwest. Wait, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kill him.
Someone check the west.
Cartoon sa.
I think that's Joker.
I will show them.
Yeah, what's this? Oh, that's Joker. Kumak sa tos.
Don't hit Joker.
Sino na?
May CDG
What na?
level 90.
Yeah, okay, just let Joker too. Just let me 1v2 both of them. They're not gonna fight if there's 2v2. Just let them come to me, man.
Sige ako.
I think Joker's gonna go soft.
Just na lang.
You can try.
Rather have content, man, than none.
And I'm gonna talk to them.
Whiskey Station proper sa Northwest.
Yo, careful, they're looking, okay? That's this guy? Wait. 3. Bam. Nobody should be die. Okay, nice.
What na? Huwag kayo magulang tank. 3. Huwag kayo
Wait, so how big are they on the gate? They're small.
Pretty good now.
Ano na? 2 na?
Oh, wait, a lot of them died. The fuck? Did they get bombed on the gate? Yo, come east. Mantap. Did they get bombed?
CFD down.
Yeah, pure good this one.
Come southeast, come southeast, come southeast, come southeast, come southeast, come southeast.
Southeast, southeast,
Yeah.
They're trying to southeast, man. Pagka mamaya, at least mo check or razor ka, kahit nakatingin dapat.
Yo, careful, they might be dismounted in front already, okay? Dismount when you see me, dismount when you see me. Come south, come south. Yeah, can you catch them? Can you catch them? Can you catch them? Can you catch them? Thank you. Motherfucking gay people.
Oh, fuck.
Mata, mata.
You need the block.
Come back, come back, come back. I'm not there then.
Yes, bullshit.
Bro, they have fucking 2 alliances. Just tell Joker to get out. Or I'm gonna fight Joker also.
CDG is counter, careful.
Yeah, careful, careful. And focus smashing then. Pretty sure they're gonna come behind us if we are inside Terry.
First part doon, Boogie.
Yeah, we fight everyone.
Susunod.
Hey, holding not sweat.
Southwest 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southwest over the wall, over the wall, over the wall, over the wall, over the wall. Come back, come back, come back, come back. Shaper, 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 shaper.
Shaper.
May duck demons. Hold on.
Double OC. Double OC, double OC. We send this, fuck it. Yo, careful, nobody should be dying up front. We have Kajak, kill Kajak.
3.
Should I score or should I fight with you?
Just scout the southeast and just tank, just the tank, the tank. You just stay with me.
Okay.
Ito na.
Then you go. Alright, that's possible.
On the gate, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, gate. North press out din yun, ha? Oh my god, the caller did not fucking die. Come back, come back.
Looking.
Defend over the wall, west side.
2.
Yeah. Defenses. 3.
Yo, smash the walls also, please. Need the wall smashed.
Sige lang.
1 na.
Ping ko. Wait lang.
Gigi, kaya ako sa 1.
Okay.
Pure gold level 34 dito sa lake. Naka-hold lang sila.
Patringan, bigyan is.
They're just holding northwest.
So good, like 70 na.
Okay, okay.
2.
Tawanan ulit.
Sige.
Who's that?
Kapag ka na ulit.
Sure bro.
Pure gold? Yeah, it's fine. If it's pure gold, it's fine. If it's Griffin Empire, it's kind of a problem, you know, $70.
Your friend is skillful.
Yeah, listen, kill the guard inside first, Marlika. Yeah, drag the guards all outside. Okay. Tell me, come north. Yung pure gold zone
Yeah,
first,
Cook's looking.
Come north.
So, me ah.
Yeah, listen, come north. Listen, just come north.
Hindi mo yung keepers ko mag-igay sa mga nanghuli. Dali. We need to cut off. We need to keep up.
Cook's looking.
Resetting. 10 seconds with drop cooldown.
Okay, come north.
Okay.
Just come north.
Inshallah.
Nice speed.
No tank should be dying in front line. What are they doing? Where are they?
Oh, yeah.
Come north west.
South. Top north.
Yeah, come north west.
CG looking.
There's a Griffin in your back.
Yeah, come north then.
Southeast.
Yan na,
Come north.
check my south ha.
Mabacking up. Come north.
Yeah.
Up south. Everyone southeast. Wait now. Come north. Kick kami north. Just walk. Deep north. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Deep north now. Watch out these guys.
Nice.
Keep pushing now. Yo, listen, we're gonna push the choke. Full demons inside. Yo, demons inside. Full heals. Everyone, listen, pass the choke. Heal everyone northwest. You hold them on the choke. Hold the choke. Yo, listen, roll everything inside of us. Hold the choke only northwest. Yo, hold them on the choke. Hold them southeast. Heal up on everyone. Yo, kill everything inside. Oi. Just hold, boys. Brawl everything inside. Oi. Totally. Yo, Marlika inside. 5. Wait, no. Cancel. Just brawl inside.
Wait ah. Putangin ang heal.
Southeast on the choke. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southeast choke now. Every.
They're gonna push.
Now spread northwest. Tank them. Spread northwest, heal up front line. Spread northwest, heal up front line. Listen, just hold. Tanks hold them.
Heal in the
Just
front.
counter the choke. Listen, kill everything inside of us. They're walking back to the choke. Listen, regear fast. They're walking back to the choke. Yo, hold on, E. Yo, Pingy, can you go kind of deep? Yo, everyone, just hold. Tell me when you have cooldowns. Careful. Yeah. Careful front time. Just wait. Don't stay on the choke, boys. Don't stay on the choke. Everything inside of us. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice. Come northwest. You, everyone, stop staying on the choke. Come northwest. Stop staying on the choke. Stop staying on the choke.
Reset now.
Choke, man. Just hold the northwest side. Let them engage past the choke, man. Let them engage past the choke. Ready defenses.
CG flying, CG flying.
Someone need to, check the north side. Sinong buhay pa? Si Vector ba?
It's G.
Nice. Teka lang sa north side.
Okay. Yo, listen. Tanks walking southeast. Listen. Tanks walking southeast. Listen, everyone walking southeast. Listen, push on. Walking deep. Deep on the backline. On the top. 5, everything. 4, 3, 2, 1. Full send to the backline. On the backline. Watch out the mirror. Keep pushing. Yeah, push southeast. Listen, push